Hello, friends. Today you're going to be creating your own clock. And this clock that we're going to be creating today actually helps you create your own 5-minute marks. And you'll also be able to cut it out and so we can add it to your math toolkit. Number 1 says to color the hour hand red. Number 2 is color the minute hand green. So down here, but before you do that, I would actually like you to label your 5 minutes using the pencil using your pencil. So if I were to start labeling this, I would start at 0 for 12, 5, 10. Sorry, my numbers aren't going to look that good. I'm using a tool. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then this would be 60, but it's 0 when we're doing our hours and minutes. Okay, next you will want, I'm going to switch my tool here, and I need to color my hour hand red. So let me just change my tool real quick, and you're going to get this hour hand colored in red. Again, I'm using the computer screen, so mine isn't going to look perfect. And then inside of here, you can also go and just highlight your hours using red. So just kind of, I'm just making a little box around there and coloring it in so that I know that all of these numbers are my hours. Okay, just like that, just like that, and I would keep going around. And you know that you need to do 7, 8, I'm just going to quickly finish this up, 9, 10, and 11 with some nice squares. Now I'm going to switch my color to green because my minute hand is going to be colored in green. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing that I did for the hour, but just kind of color in all my minutes on the outside green. And again, yours will look a lot neater than mine looks because I'm using a computer tool to complete this. Once you're finished coloring in all of your minute hands on the outside with green, your hour hand on the inside with your red, you're going to cut out on the dotted lines where the scissors are showing, and then you're going to cut on the dotted line here all the way around, and then we will get you a little brad that will connect your minute hand and your hour hand for you. All right, do your personal best. Thanks, friends.